Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Microsoft Loop versus Notion. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each platform approaches collaborative work and information management. Our goal is to help you understand which tool might best suit your team's specific needs, considering factors like existing software ecosystems and desired levels of customization. Let's explore their unique strengths and weaknesses. Microsoft Loop shines with its innovative components, which are small, portable pieces of content that remain synchronized across your Microsoft 365 applications. Imagine a task list or a table that updates instantly whether you're viewing it in Teams, Outlook, or a Loop page. This seamless integration fosters real-time co-authoring and dynamic content sharing, making it ideal for teams deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem. Notion stands out for its incredible versatility and customization options. Its block-based editor empowers users to construct virtually any workspace imaginable, from personal note-taking systems to intricate project management dashboards with linked databases. With thousands of community-contributed templates and robust API integrations, Notion provides a highly adaptable solution for teams seeking to tailor their digital workspace precisely to their unique operational requirements and preferences. Deciding between Microsoft Loop and Notion largely depends on your team's existing infrastructure and specific needs. If your organization is deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, Loop offers unparalleled seamlessness and real-time collaboration within that environment. However, if you prioritize ultimate customization, powerful database capabilities, and a highly flexible workspace, Notion is likely your superior choice, offering a blank canvas for diverse applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.